Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In the previous videos, we have learned one rhythm along with the two variations and a filler. And today we are going to learn one more variation of that rhythm. But before that, let's play that rhythm along with the variations and a filler. Ready? One, two, here we go. One and a two and a three and a four and a one and a two and a three and a four and a one and a two and a three a four and a one and a two and a three and a four and a one a two and a three a four and a one a two and a three and a four and a one. Very good. Now let's look at the third variation of this rhythm. One, a two and a three a four and a one a two and a three a four and a one. Let me slow it down for you. One, a two, and a three, a four, and a one, a two, and a three, a four, and a one. Let's break it down now. We will take the rhythmic pattern of first and second beat from the second variation, that is one, a two, and the rhythmic pattern of third and fourth beat that we will take from the first variation, that is 3 a 4 and a. And if we combine it together, it will sound like this. 1, a 2, and a 3, a 4, and a 1, a 2, and a 3, a 4, and a 1. So that's all for the today's lesson, and now I want you to practice this variation on your Congo, or you can practice on your pillow as well. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye-bye.